Ya tú sabes, that is spaz. Ya tú sabes, that I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one want to do this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blunt y se cae Dolores. Ella quiere.
Alright, so right now I have 3 bikes. One's in pieces right now. I have 3 that has to be restored, painted, the whole 9 yards, new parts and everything on all 3 of them. This is for a friend of mine's. And we're gonna be doing the before and after on them. I already got an image for all 3 of them. Okay, so right now I have everything apart. Everything apart. So when I'm first started off, it's gonna be with the frames. I gotta do the frames quick, cause over here in the East Coast, it gets cold. And with the, I don't feel like working, under the cold. My garage does not have heat. I have a bullet. But I'm gonna try to do this not as quick, cause I wanna try to, do my best on it. But it's gonna be, I gotta finish it within the next month or so. Just at least the frames, before it gets really cold out. And I don't know if I could, have the bikes painted while it's cold out. I don't know how it's gonna hold off or if it will affect the paint on the frames. But let me know, guys, what y'all think. But yeah, this is what we got going on right now. So now time to take the paint off. Alright, so what's up? I have taken off the paint. What I could, I took off. And I think I took off pretty mostly all the paint. Right here, I still got a little bit more I gotta take out. Fenders. I got one right here that I use a degreaser to take out the leftover any oils or anything like that. For the paint kit, stick on better. But this is what we have right now going on. I got all 3 frames stripped down to the metal, ready to primer. But yeah, guys, what y'all think? This is what we got going on. Okay, I'm gonna get ready to primer them. I got them all nice and cleaned with a degreaser. Take out all the old oils, any oils that it has. Yeah, we're gonna start priming it right now. Nice cold primer. So I got this one primer, nice and clean. This one's gonna be a gold one. And I got the other 2 up here. That one's done primered, and this one is done primered. Well, this one's still a little wet, but this one is done right here. That one's gonna be La Mexicana, and this one's gonna be El Barrio. Alright, guys, so I'm doing this right after work. I got the fenders. No, the chain guards. I got the chain guards primered for each one of the bikes. I got this one. I put 2 coats of glitter of glitter gold. This is the second pass. I'm gonna have to do 2 more passes, but this is how it's coming out. But yeah, that's where we at right now. Alright, so what we have here is all the frames primered with glitter. Alright, so I got my first one here now. Got glittered, and did a little bit of taping on them. Nothing too crazy, you know. Something I just wanted to test out, you know. So here goes nothing. What's up? So we got this one right here at Barrio. Nice. I think it came out pretty awesome. I want to give a big shout out to Kevin and Kate. They're doing their thing, man, and you know they inspire me to, you know, step up my game. So Kevin and Kate, man, y'all the big dogs, and like I said, man, y'all inspire me to, you know, step up my game. So this is what we got right here. Hello? Okay, and this is the other one I got right here. This is La Chingona. Okay, so this is the gold joint I got going on. Got it with the cross. Got a nice little design on it. Which I think I'm too close. It's gonna be La Mexicana. It's gonna be painted as a Mexican flag.